everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a try on and a haul from DressLily.com. DressLily is an online store and they reached out to me to do a try on so I can share my review on YouTube with all of you guys. And I just want to go ahead and say that their prices are amazing. Everything on their website is very affordable, but of course that comes with the challenge of, are you getting what you pay for, or are you getting awesome deals where everything is better than you expect? So that's what this video is for. I'm just going to tell you guys if everything fits as expected, if everything's quality is good or not. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. So this is the first item that I got from DressLily. It's a very like springy dress. I just love like the white with the floral print, and I really like the cut of it because it's so classy but it's still a little bit playful. So I actually love this dress. I think that this one fits better than expected. It literally fits me like a glove, and the quality, as you can tell, is actually really good. The shape and the structure is perfect, so this one is definitely a thumbs up, and I do recommend this dress. So while I have this dress on, I think that these shoes would actually kind of match the dress because they're so playful and girly. So I'm going to try on these shoes right now to add them to the outfit, but I just want to give you guys a closer look of the shoes because they're so cute. So clearly I'm like struggling with space over here. I'm like literally drowning in my closet, so I had to kind of like tilt the camera down a little bit so my head is kind of chopped out. But I love these shoes because they're so easy to put on. It's literally a Velcro strap, and there's plenty of Velcro so you can still adjust the sizing on your ankle, but you don't have to deal with buckles, which can get really complicated if you have longer nails or if you're just in a hurry. Okay, so it was kind of a challenge to get the shoes into the shot because the angle wasn't really capturing the shoes and giving them justice, so I did kind of move my camera around, so here are some closer looks at the shoes. They're actually surprisingly really comfortable. There's a little bit of tension just in the front, but it's not like unbearable to walk in. I feel like they just need to be broken in. But for being so affordable, I think that these are an amazing deal, and they actually look like super expensive shoes. So this is the first look. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments down below. Okay, so this is the next dress. So when I took this out of the bag, I was like, there's no way this is gonna fit me. It looks so flimsy and it looks really cheap. But once I put it on, it definitely fits a little bit better. The only thing is that the white material is very transparent. As you might be able to see, I'm wearing a black bra and it's very see-through. The other challenge of this outfit would be that you can't really wear a bra because it's open, but then you definitely need something in the front. So your only option would be nude sticky boobs, and those are hard to come across, but that's the only way that this dress would work. I absolutely love the bottom. I think that this asymmetrical, like frilly cut is just so adorable. I just wish the material was a little bit thicker so that I could actually wear this out in public. So the only solution that I have for this dress is to put on a cute sweater or a cute top over it so that the bottom is still adorable, but you don't have to worry about the top. So just for reference, this is a cropped fur coat from Naked Wardrobe, and if I just threw this on top, it would literally solve all of my problems and everything still looks super duper cute. So we found a solution to this wardrobe malfunction, and now this outfit is totally adorable and perfect for this season. Alright, so here is the next outfit. This is a black dress, and I promised myself I'd stop wearing so much black, but I caved and I really like the cut of this dress. Once it's on though, I don't really like the way that it fits me. I just wish it was a little bit more tailored to my body, which is not DressLily's fault. It's just I think I chose the wrong size. This is a size small, but it fits like a medium, so just keep in mind that some things might run a little bit bigger. But overall, the cut of this dress is absolutely adorable. I love the skirt. I like the length of it. I just feel like it's so playful and flirty and feminine. Okay, so I really had higher expectations for this dress. I think it's so adorable, and the ribbed material looks like it would be stretchy, but this actually has no stretch at all, but it also doesn't have any zippers, so I really had to like wiggle myself into it, and I just don't like the way that it sits on my body. If it was made out of like a jersey material or something that would stretch, I think that it would fit so much better. But this does fit me like a glove. It's just not very comfortable to wear. That's all I'm gonna say. But I might just tough it out for like a night out or something because this kind of style is totally on trend right now. And the more I look at myself in the mirror, I'm like, maybe this actually does look really good. So it might be worth it to brave the discomfort. So this is my other black dress that I got, and this one definitely runs small because I got this in a size small, and it's pretty tight on me, and I do feel like I'm a pretty true size small, so just keep that in mind if you're getting this dress. And also it does not stretch, so keep that in mind as well. Oh my gosh, so I was so excited for this dress. It looked so cute online, and as soon as I took it out of the package, I knew it wasn't going to be it because the material on top is like really flimsy jersey and it's like super stretchy. Like imagine, I don't even know, it's like swimsuit material but thinner. That's what the top feels like, and it wears really baggy on me on the top, so I'm not happy about that. And then the skirt, I thought it would have a little bit more flare and be a little bit tighter around the waist. If it was like that, I feel like it would be really cute, but it just fits so loose on me. It's just really, really baggy. This is also a size small, but it definitely fits like a medium, but I don't think I would recommend this just because the material is just not right. Like it just does not sit right on my body, and I'm so sad because this was like my favorite dress from everything that I got. Okay, wow, so this dress is hot. I actually really like this one. It came just as expected. It fits really, really nicely. It sits great on my body. And the best part is that it is double lined, so I don't have to worry about nipple covers or a bra because I have enough lining here, and that's perfect since the dress is completely backless. It ties in the back so you can fit it comfortably around your neck. It has like this stretchy material, and I feel like the tie in the back makes the dress like a whole lot sexier. So the next thing in my package is actually a wig, so I'm going to go ahead and throw on the wig and my last look, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this top and the jeans are not from DressLily, but I just want to talk about the wig real quick because I was taking it out of the package. The reason why it's very affordable is because it is not a lace front wig. It still will probably look pretty realistic because it does have like a fake scalp here in the middle where the part is, but it's just not lace front, so it's not going to look like the hair is growing out of your head. The reason why I had to film right now is because I'm already noticing a lot of shedding. This is just from running my hand through it to get it onto my head, so I just wanted to point that out, that it does shed a lot. Hopefully it'll stop because I don't want to make a mess out of my floor. So now I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on and I'll be right back. Okay, so even putting on the wig, I'm just still seeing a whole bunch of shedding. This is just way too much. It's like every time I run my hands through it, the wig starts to shed, but it's really pretty. I feel like the hair density is really thick, but it does kind of tangle easily. It's already getting a little bit matted in the back, but overall the size is good, the price is right. It's just that the hair does feel very fake, but it did come with a wig cap, and I thought that was really cute, and I do like the length and the color. I do think that it does look like what it was on the website. And here's the final piece. I thought it was a sweater dress, but it's actually a cardigan. And this is like really nice thick material. It's like a real fuzzy sweater, and I really like that. It looks just like the picture, and I really like this. I think it goes really cute with this outfit. Once again, the t-shirt and the pants are not from DressLily. I just had to throw something on so that I could put this over it. It kind of smells like a factory. It just has like that like new clothes smell. Hopefully it'll go away when I wash it, but otherwise it's so cute. It has these pockets, and yeah, I like it. So I hope you guys enjoyed my DressLily try on and first impressions. If you want to learn more about DressLily, I'll go ahead and link the video down below. DressLily did not pay me for this video, but they did send me all of these clothes for free just so I can share my review with all of you guys. So I hope that this was helpful. If you do want a discount, go ahead and view the links down below for all of the discount information as well. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.